Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc again. I'm Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can send invisible ink messages on your iPhone and how it basically works. At first, let me show you how it works when you actually receive those messages. So if I open up the messages, the recent chat what I have is this right here. So I'm just going to turn this off. I'm not sure if you can see it properly, so I'm just going to take a screenshot and zoom it in so you can see this is what the message actually looks like. It is invisible like this, and the way to view it is to basically tap on it like that, and it just reveals the message. So in fact it was hidden there. So in case you want to send something like this, what you have to do is just to click on the message, type in whatever you want. Let's say it's just going to be hello, and instead of clicking on the blue arrow icon right away, what you do instead is basically hold down on it and you get to the effects section, and the effects consist of bubble effects and screen effects. The screen is what basically occupies the entire screen. We're not interested in that, but instead I want you to stay on the bubble, and there is invisible ink right there. So you can see it right here, and now all you have to do is just to click on the blue arrow to send it as invisible ink message. So this is how this stuff basically works. As you can see, it's pretty simple, and even you cannot see the message right away, so you have to tap to reveal it as well. However, if you have meant something like a different type of invisible ink, something like disappearing messages, in case you were looking for that, it doesn't work within iOS iMessage. If you are looking for the invisible disappearing messages, you have to use something like Instagram, or Snapchat was literally built for that specific reason. Literally, when you send the snap, it gets viewed and it gets disappeared. The same with the chats. So in case you want to use that, probably a different social media would be good for it, because this is the only method how you can actually view it. One more caveat though is because, for example, actually, as you can see, there's a glitch right here. The black bubble is there, but something that I wanted to show you is if I type in like a random message which doesn't even mean anything and just make it very long, just like gibberish literally, and if I make the entire thing invisible ink, if I apply the effect on the very long page right here or the entire paragraph, so let me just show it to you right now, invisible ink, if I say there, I can reveal it, but I have to just reveal the whole thing, because if I don't reveal the entire message, the entire bubble, it just goes back to the original state. So you can see the effect right there as I touch it, but it goes back to the invisible thing. So in case you want to make sure that the page or that the bubble stays visible all the time, you have to uncover it entirely. So if I go through it entirely, you can see that it just doesn't go back to the original state. So this is something that I wanted to show you. Yeah, so this is how it works, and yeah, this is the stuff that I wanted to show you. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the Foxtecc YouTube channel, and also check out the link to Foxtecc educational platform. You can see this is what it looks like. There are articles, there are classroom, in the classroom section, like there are courses and stuff, which you can join it for free. It's entirely up to you. There's like already one person request and stuff, so plenty of people are inside, so go ahead and join. I'll wait for you inside. For now, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video on Foxtecc.